In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resubscribe contacts to your marketing emails in HubSpot. Before we jump in, a quick note on best practice. Only resubscribe someone if you have clear permission from that contact. Marketing email laws and HubSpot's guidelines require explicit consent, so make sure you've captured it through a form, recorded verbal consent in a note, or have written confirmation on file. With that in mind, let's walk through the process. Start by opening your HubSpot portal and heading to the trial guide area. This takes you into a guided section of HubSpot where you can access key tools. Once you're there, look for the More option. Click it to reveal additional choices you may not see on the initial view. From the expanded options, select CRM. This brings you into the core customer relationship management tools where your records live. Next, choose contacts. You'll land on your contact list where you can filter or search to quickly find the person you want to resubscribe. If you have a large database, use the search bar to look up the contact by name or email address. Double check that you're selecting the correct record, especially if there are duplicates with similar names. Open the contact you want to resubscribe. You're now on that contact's timeline and profile. Take a moment to review their recent activity and any notes, especially if someone on your team has documented consent. On this page, look for the section labeled Communication Subscription or a Subscriptions panel. Click View Subscriptions. This is where HubSpot centralizes all subscription types for that contact, including marketing email categories and their current opt-in or opt-out status. Inside the subscriptions view, you'll see exactly which email types the contact is subscribed to, unsubscribed from, or not yet set for. This is the workspace where resubscription is managed. Review the options carefully and align the contact with the specific marketing email types they agree to receive, rather than opting them into everything by default. If the contact previously unsubscribed on their own, HubSpot may require additional confirmation depending on your account's settings and local regulations. Always follow your organization's consent policy and document any changes in the contact's record for future reference. When you're done reviewing and updating, return to the contact record and confirm the status reflects what you expect. From here, you can proceed with your normal marketing workflows, like adding the contact to the relevant lists or campaigns that match their preferences. That's it. You've navigated to contacts, opened the correct record, and used View Subscriptions to manage resubscription responsibly and transparently.